In this video, I will show you how to change the main user ID on PayPal email. If you tell the sender an outdated or incorrect email, then you will not be able to receive money to your PayPal account. Therefore, you need to check the correctness of your email in your account. But if you don't use this email you used to register on PayPal, then you can change it. To change your email on PayPal, you need to log into your PayPal account. If you have lost access to your old email or do not remember it, then you can enter your phone number and log into your PayPal account. After that, you need to open the settings on the main page of your account. In the Emails section, click the Edit button to change the email. After that, enter the current email to which you always have access. Click Confirm. After that, select Email a code instead. An email with a confirmation code for the new email will be sent to your new email. Enter this code on PayPal. After that, your email will be successfully changed. You can use it as an identifier to receive payments on PayPal immediately after the change. But first, we'll check the ability to log in with this new email. I logged out of my account and now I will log into my account again using this new email that we have changed. After logging into the account, we can use it to receive or send money. I also checked the receipt of payments using the new email. While sending the money, the sender entered a new email, which I changed in my PayPal account. After that, I received the money to my account. To receive money, you can use the email or phone number you specified in your account settings. Therefore, it is very important that the email or phone number is up to date. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.